Are you looking for stunning aesthetics? Fire protection? Acoustic performance? Transparency? Or privacy? Strength? Flexibility? Whatever your challenge, Planet Partitioning have the solution. Do you value experience and stability and a commitment to health and safety? Or innovation and quality? We have a highly skilled, highly trained workforce, and we make all our products in the UK to recognise standards. Do you need specialists in design, manufacture, and installation? That's what we do. We started off as installers, then began designing and manufacturing our own solutions. That way, we could be sure we'd have a product that met all the criteria and was a dream to install. So would you like our design team to prepare project-specific details? Would you like our new solutions delivered in Autodesk Revit and visualized in 3D models? Are you looking for a collaborative spirit or an eye for detail? A wide range of proven products or a bespoke solution? Are you passionate about innovative features or longing for peace of mind? Whatever you're looking for, we'll create a stunning solution and deal with any alterations, relocations or warranty issues. Do you need a performance product? Or just a functional solution? Adaptable? Or just plain beautiful? British design? Or global experience? That's what we do.